Look at the left side. We are trying to add 1/2 plus 1/4. Now 1/2 is a big slice. 1/4 is a smaller slice. And here's the problem. If you try to stack them, they do not line up. The sides are not flush. One piece sticks out farther than the other. So it is hard to count them together. That is what different denominators mean. Different denominators mean different size pieces. 1/2 and 1/4 are both pieces of pie, yes. But they are not the same kind of piece. So before we add them, we need to make them match. Now look at the middle. 1/2 can be rewritten as 2/4. That does not change how much pie we have. It is still the same amount. But now it is cut into smaller matching pieces. So 1/2 becomes 2/4. Now every piece is a 1/4. And that changes everything. Now look at the right side. The pieces finally stack flush. No weird overlap. No mismatched edges. No guessing. We can count them cleanly. 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. That is why common denominators matter. They do not magically change the amount. They change the slice size so the pieces can be stacked, lined up, and counted together. Same size pieces stack flush. And once they stack flush, addition becomes simple.